I'm Richie.
Zach.
And this is the Jackass remake of Jackass Golf. Go.
Just don't do it in my ear.
Yeah, wait till they're swinging. Come on, swing, motherfucker.
They've been swinging.
No, I'm looking for a certain...
Ow, that was like right in my ear.
Ready?
I'm doing it all wrong. See it.
May have to do some running, I feel like.
No.
These are just fucking kids.
Yeah, fuck these kids. Wait for it, wait for it.
Let me see it. See it. Let me see it.
It's so fucking loud. Are they leaving? Bastards.
Alright, you ready to hit it?
Hang on.
I'm gonna get a head start. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna go up. No, I'm gonna stay still real quick so they don't see. What?
They're leaving.
Which way are they going?
Away. There's no fun. You ruined the game.
Oh well. Shit
That was our
happens.
intention.
They're driving away.
Mission
That's
accomplished.
that's a look of defeat. It's the look of defeat right there. Look at that. We win.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Look at that look of defeat. Bye. Leave this premises. Beep one more time. Nobody's around. It wouldn't matter. Dude, they left a golf cart. We can drive it back to the car. To the car mobile. Oh, but he's not golfing. Is he? What? Oh, he is golfing. No, he's not. No, he's packing up his shit. Well, that's a Jackass golf for you. Not as exciting, and we didn't get balls thrown at us, but it was worth an attempt. Have a good one, fellas.